Alright, hello everyone. It's another moment with Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo. I'm very sure you are very happy. Yes, I'm glad too. Anyways, I'm here once again. You know, this is where we teach ourselves how to speak, how to write and communicate in Yoruba language. My name is Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo. You know how they say Ọ̀gbẹ́ni means Mr. So literally, this is Mr. Taiwo. Alright, today's topic is another very interesting topic. And what is that? That is syllables. Syllables in Yoruba language. Syllabu nínú èdè Yoruba. I'm very sure some of you must have come across the word syllables. What does it mean? Does it also, can we have syllables in Yoruba? Yes, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Syllable wà nínú èdè Yoruba bó ṣe wà nínú àwọn èdè yòókù. Right? So what is going to be our focus for today? That is, after today's class, you should be able to tell us the meaning of a syllable, what it means, and how you can at least break words into syllables with examples. So that is what we are going to do today, and I'm very sure you are ready to learn. Okay, now that we have known our topic and what we want to do, let's go into learning first. What is syllable? Kí la lè pè ní syllable? Syllable ni ègé ọ̀rọ̀ tí èémí lè gbé jáde lẹ́ẹ̀kan ṣoṣo. What is the meaning of that? Syllables are breaking down of words in Yoruba language. How we break words, in Yoruba language. And how do we do that? In Yoruba, wọ́n sọ pé èémí lè gbé jáde lẹ́ẹ̀kan ṣoṣo. For example, if I want to say ọlá, breaking that word would be ọlá. So literally, we have two syllables in ọlá because ọ is a syllable and another syllable is lá. So ọlá. So bí a ṣe ń pín àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, that is what we refer to as syllables. Right. Now, how can we do these things? Àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ wo ni a lè gbé? First, you need to know that a vowel sound can stand as a syllable. Ṣé o pé a ní fáwẹ́lì méje nínú èdè Yorùbá? We have 7 vowel sounds in Yoruba language. They are a, e, I, o, u. Those 7, they are vowel sounds and they can stand on their own as a syllable. We also have 5 nasalized vowels. They are ha, I, o, àwon náà. They can stand as a syllable. By the time I give you examples, you will understand what I mean. So note that a vowel sound can stand as a syllable. 2, combination of one consonant sound and one vowel sound. One consonant and one vowel sound. We have 18 consonant sounds in Yoruba. So one of those consonant sounds and a vowel sound, by the time you combine the two together, they can also stand as a syllable. And Apeere is wa. Don't forget, wu is a consonant sound and a is a vowel sound. So ìgbà tí a so méjèèjì papọ̀ ó di wa, and that's a syllable. You get it? So there is a rule for us that guides these syllables, and that is what? Consonants cannot stand as syllables except and ìyẹn fi hàn wípé consonant nìkan kò lè dá dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí syllable. For example, b kò lè dá dúró, but tá a bá fi fáwẹ́lì a sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ó di bá, ìyẹn lè dá dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí syllable. But a tún wá sọ wípé àwọn consonant méjì kan lè wà tó yẹ pé àwọn lè dá dúró. Àwọn dẹ̀ ní àti wọ́n lè dá dúró, bí àpẹẹrẹ bíi Bímbọ́, níbẹ̀ yẹn ó lè dá dúró, mò ń bọ̀, òun náà ó lè dá dúró. So we are going to see more of these in our examples. Now let's go to 2 syllabic words. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ onísílébù méjì. Àpẹẹrẹ àkọ́kọ́ òun ni Àga, 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 that is chair. You see that nínú àga yẹn, a is a vowel sound and ga, that is another sound, but g is a consonant and a is a vowel. So aga, aga. Automatically we have two syllables in that word, aga. Ẹ má dẹ̀ gbàgbé kí mo sọ ṣáájú wípé a vowel can stand on its own. A, e, òun lè dúró, then consonant àti vowel kan náà àwọn náà wọ́n lè dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí syllable. So àpẹẹrẹ òní a ní nínú ohun tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí. Another example is owó, owó, money. Bàbá, bàbá, you can see KF stand for consonant vowel and F stand for vowel. Bàbá, father. Ìgbà, season, ìgbà, that is two season. You can even do by clapping. You can know the syllables in words by clapping. For example, àga, àga, that is two. Owó, owó, bàbá, bàbá. You know I always tell you, Yoruba is fun, especially with Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Táíwò. Ìgbà, ìgbà, ìpín, ìpín. Okay, before I go further, ìpín, you will notice that we have ìpín. I is a nasalized vowel, so that is why we count it as a vowel. So the combination of P and I will give us pín, which is a syllable. That's why we have two syllables in pín. So some of you will be confused that I and head, are they not? No, it's just I is a sound. So that's why we have pín. Next is ọgbọ́n, ọgbọ́n. Ọgbọ́n means wisdom. Ọgbọ́n, O is a vowel sound, while gbọ́n, B is a consonant and O is a vowel. You get that? Ìgbín, ìgbín is snail, and we have two consonants. Oyin, oyin is honey, honey, honey. Okay, let's go to three syllabic words. We have ìyàwó, 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 that's three. Kékeré, kékeré, that's three. Táíwò, 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 that's three. Bímbọ́, this is where we need more explanation. B is a syllable. Don't forget that when I started, I said that and they can stand on their own. Me and ni, they can stand on their own. Though they are consonants, but sometimes we use them as vowels. So they are consonant and vowel. So me and ni, they can stand. So that's as we have in bo, bo. So B, that is B-I-K-L, stand on its own. Then bo, bo, B-mpe, B-mpe, B-mpe. 3. Te-nte, 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 te-nte. Get that? Okay. Now, 4 syllabic words. We have o, bo, lo, bo, o, bo, lo, bo, do, re, do. The reason why I'm introducing this topic is because it's likely our next topic will be tonation in Yoruba. So if you have learned how to break words into syllables, it will be very easy for you to put tones. That is do, re, mi, odd words. So be prepared. Is that clear? I trust you. Okay. Aye, raye. How many syllables is that? Aye, raye. That's 4. Aye, raye. Aye, raye. 4. Ti, lo, pe. Another 4. I, ye, bi, ye. That's iyebiye means precious. Something that is precious in Yoruba. Precious, iyebiye. O, bo, mo, sho. That's a place in Oyo State, Nigeria. Ogbo, mo, sho. Ogbo, mo, sho is a place. Ogbo, mo, sho. And we have 4 syllables. Agba, lagba. That's an adult. Agba, lagba. So all these, they are 4 syllabic words. And next is, we have some words that they have more than 4 syllables. For example, adigunjale. How many syllables is that? That's 5. I think yes, 5. Adigunjale, 5. Labalaba. Oh, that should be 4. Anyways, labalaba, butterfly. Morenikeji. Morenikeji. That's 5. Omoshalewa, another 5. Omoshalewa is the name of person anyways. Omoshalewa, that's 5. Mohunmaworan. Many of you will be surprised. Television in Yoruba we call it mohunmaworan. Mohunmaworan. Mohunmaworan, 5 syllables. Ayelujara, another 5. Ayelujara. Ayelujara means internet. Okay, now what's the summary of today's class? Well, Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo has explained to us what syllable means. That is, syllable ni ègé ọ̀rọ̀ tí èémí lè gbé jáde lẹ́ẹ̀kan ṣoṣo. Vowel kan, one vowel sound can stand as a syllable, and also combination of one vowel and one consonant. The combination of one vowel, one consonant can also stand as a syllable. Then consonant as a syllable, this me and ni, they can also stand as a syllable in a word. And combination of 2 consonants, for example B and T, they cannot stand together in Yoruba except you separate them with a vowel sound. For example, if you want to write shoe in English, that is spelled S-H-O-U, but in Yoruba we don't have SH together, we have S, and you put a little mark under that S, that will be she. Get that? Okay, then consonant kan kò lè dá dúró, then only b sound can never stand as a syllable. I believe today's class is very explicit enough. Right, now you have an assignment. You are going to complete this table for me. I've done one as an example. You can see aṣọ. Aṣọ means cloth. So how many syllables do we have? The first letter is vowel plus ṣọ, KF, that is consonant she and vowel o. So F plus KF, that will give us aṣọ. How many syllables? That is 2. So I want you to do for ilé, gbogbo, elédùmarè, gbólóhùn, and paradise. So when you are done, you can forward your answers to me. Alright, this is another convenient time Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo will be saying bye. I'm very sure you will like and subscribe to our page. Thank you for joining Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo. Bye.